Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Elian Suriel Reyes Ochoa, and I'm going to present you Facebook. Well, as most of you know, Facebook is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, social network in the world. Everybody uses it. I use it. My mom uses it. My grandma uses it. Everybody uses it. So Facebook was founded in 2004. It was made profitable in 2008. It acquired Instagram in 2012. It acquired WhatsApp in 2014, and it acquired Oculus VR in 2014 as well. The mission, as described by Mark Zuckerberg, CEO and founder, is that Facebook mission is to give people the power to share and make the world more open and connected. Facebook values are: be bold. This means the community, and by community I mean Facebook employees, should take risks, should take challenging ideas and take them to the public. Second value is to focus on impact. This means that to have the biggest impact, they need to solve the most important problems. They shouldn't be afraid of tackling this difficult quest. The third value is to move fast. This means don't be afraid of making mistakes, because you are losing opportunities by being slow, by thinking too much about things. This means that Facebook employees should be builders of new ideas and shouldn't be afraid of taking challenges, as supported by the first value, to be bold. And the fourth value is to be open. This means that Facebook should always be a platform that is open to everybody, all ages, all creeds, all sexual identities. Everybody should feel welcome at Facebook. And the last value is to build social value. This means that Facebook wasn't just found to make money. It was made with the purpose of connecting the world, said by Mark Zuckerberg in the mission statement. And that should be the first ideal to any Facebook employee, to make the world more connected and to facilitate this mission. And ladies and gentlemen, this will be all. I hope you have enjoyed the presentation, and I will be very happy to receive your feedback. Thank you very much.